How to change profile name in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and then navigate to your settings. Then click on personal and account information from the account section and click on name. And here you will be able to change your first name, middle name, and last name. Once you're done, click on review change, and here you can choose the preview of your new name, such as whether you want it to appear first name, last name, or the opposite. And lastly, you need to enter your password right here in this field, and remember that you won't be able to change it within the next 16 days. If you're okay with that, click on save changes and it will be edited. So that was it for this video. That's how you can edit and change your name on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.